Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will help you jumpstart a Hyundai Ioniq. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear such as gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral. It's crucial to identify the positive and negative terminals on both the dead battery in your Ioniq and the working battery in the assisting vehicle. This careful preparation ensures a safe and effective jumpstart process. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Hyundai Ioniq's dead battery. Next, take the other end of the red cable and connect its positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Double-check that both red clamps are firmly attached to their respective positive terminals to ensure a good electrical connection. Moving on to the negative cables, take one black negative clamp and connect it firmly to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. For the other end, find an unpainted metal part on your Hyundai Ioniq's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. Attach the second black negative clamp there. This grounding point helps prevent sparks near the battery, ensuring a safer connection. With all cables connected, start the working vehicle and let its engine run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After this period, try starting your Hyundai Ioniq. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First, remove the black negative clamp from the Ioniq's ground point, then the black negative from the good battery, followed by both red positive clamps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.